Well guys, I want to make the garlic chicken recipe. This is a whole chicken right here in front of me. So it has been chopped up into small pieces, whole chicken. You can use chicken breast in there, you can use chicken thighs in there, but I'm using the whole chicken into small pieces. So this is round about 16 pieces of chicken, a whole chicken into 16 pieces. How are we gonna make this garlic chicken? A garlic chicken is a world famous recipe. So we have the whole chicken cut up into small pieces already. First thing guys, take table salt, add 1 whole spoon of table salt for the whole chicken. So if you guys ask me about the quantity, this chicken is around about 3.5 pounds. So if you guys get the breast, get 3.5 pounds. If you guys get the legs, chopped up legs or whole legs, get about 3.5 to 4 pounds. So 1 whole tablespoon goes right on top. Here it is. Take some carom seeds. These are the carom seeds. Add 1 whole tablespoon of carom seeds. I just want to make a note here. It's not a complicated recipe. It's very easy recipe. We all can make this. We all can enjoy this garlic chicken recipe. So here, take a look here. It has a canola oil, 50 ml, right? And it has 8 cloves of fresh garlic. 8 and 8. So actually this is 16 cloves of garlic. So these two, you pick 16 cloves from here and you add into your juicer, add 50 ml of canola oil and you just blend this. We will add this right on top of it, all of it. Garlic chicken, right? Take 1 whole big jalapeno pepper. This is jalapeno pepper, 1 whole big one. If you guys don't find the jalapeno pepper, get at least 8 of the small one, the green chilies, and you just add right on top of it. I'll just mix this mixture from my beautiful hands, and here you go. This is how we will mix it. I have enough oil in the garlic, so we don't need a lot of mixing. Just remember, oh my god, the smell of the fresh garlic. This is so wonderful. So easy recipe, right? The marination, the mixing sound. This is just fresh garlic, fresh jalapenos, carom seeds, salt and vinegar. You have to give a mix at least for 5 minutes. So all the seasoning, they get all the way in our meat. We don't have to add meat tenderizers or anything, you know. So if you guys see, these are so small, tiny pieces, right? That's it. You don't have to do anything else. It's just garlic chicken. You know, a garlic chicken recipe should be a focused recipe just for the garlic, right? This is what we are doing here. This is what it's supposed to be. This is a garlic chicken. Okay, I have mixed all of them very good. I think I have a little bit less salt. I will add half tablespoon of more salt. So for this whole 3.5 pound of chicken, add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. All right, after this mixture, half tablespoon of more salt on top of our mixture. I washed up my hands and again I'm gonna dip it in the mixture right here. So after adding half more tablespoon, so 1.5 tablespoon of salt is in there, we will add 2 more spoons of vinegar. You guys will be like, why I'm making all these chicken recipes? Trust me, everybody likes chicken. Everybody loves chicken recipes. So guys, this is all marinated beautifully. I'm making this recipe in our air fryer grill. You can use the same recipe on top of charcoal grill, gas grill, or baking, but make this recipe in the foodie grill. It's much better. First of all, we will turn on our grill. We will check the temperatures of the grill. I'll set it for 510 degrees. I'll select the time. Time will be 30 minutes, and I will turn it on. Inside, I've already set the grill right here, and we will wait for the preheat to make our grill ready. Until then, it's going to take roughly around 5 to 10 minutes. So it's 5 to 10 minutes. Our chicken will be marinated in this garlic, vinegar, salt, carom seed, and green chili marination. It's been 7 minutes. Our chicken has been marinated. Our foodie grill is ready, and it's telling us to add the food in there. We will open up our Ninja Foodie grill, which is ready. I'll just slide it a little bit more at the front so it don't just fall in the back. Alright, so take the rubber tongue, grab your chicken, and just place it. Oh, the sizzle is real. Three and a half pounds of whole chicken chopped up into small pieces. It's right there. I'll take a whole clove bunch, chop it from the middle. Just chop it in the middle. You don't have to peel it, or you don't have to do anything. And just place it right here on top of your chicken with the skin on. Don't worry about it. It's not gonna hurt our chicken. We will close the lid, guys, and you will cook this chicken on this side for 15 minutes now. So I'll see you guys after 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes of our garlic chicken. Here it is, guys. This is the truth, okay? We will take a rubber tongue and we will try to flip every single piece in here. This is how you guys have to do it as well. Just flip the sides. If you guys see, the front side is all roasted and the back side is halfly done. So it's a fresh recipe. Check our garlic, halfly roasted, halfly not done. Why I added this whole garlic bunch in there? Just wanted to give aroma to our garlic chicken. We will close on our lid and we will cook it for another 10 to 12 minutes. In the meantime, I have white distilled vinegar. I'll take white distilled vinegar, at least 5 to 6 tablespoons, and I'll add 1 whole spoon of red crushed chilies. I'll just add this right here. Take half tablespoon of salt and add in this vinegar chili sauce. It's gonna form a perfect sauce. So now we will set this on the side. So after 10 minutes it'll be perfect ready for the serving. So let's wait for another 10 to 12 minutes. So friends, it's been 30 minutes all in here. It has been roasted right here. If you guys see, this is the 29th minute, and now it's been almost 30 minutes. We will open up the lid. Check it here, guys. It's all fully roasted to the crisp. This is what we need. We will take our same bowl. We will set it here, and we will take our rubber tongue. This is the first piece. If you guys see the shine, the cook, it's all the way done. Take out the fresh garlic chicken in your bowl, just like this. Check this, guys. It's so beautifully roasted. Garlic chicken right here. If you guys see, oh wow, beautiful done. Oh wow. Oh wow, the carom seed. Oh wow, it's packing a punch right there. It's completely roasted If you guys don't want to add extra salt, you can skip the salt, but I told you guys to add half extra spoon of salt. You can skip that easily. It's not a big of a deal, because many people, they watch their sodium intake, so I would suggest, if you guys don't feel like it, don't add it. Once you dish out your beautiful garlic roasted chicken, take a butter spray and just butter spray a little bit right on top. That's how it's gonna bring the shine, it's gonna bring the colors. Take some dried parsley, just give it a dried parsley seasoning right on top. This is a healthy recipe, guys. I'll be sharing with you every single point of a healthy recipe. Here you will take some fresh mint, add some fresh mint. It does look pretty, isn't it? Add some fresh mint. This is our fresh garlic chicken recipe, fully cooked, healthy. Guys, so this is the moment of truth. I'll take a piece of a chicken. It's wonderfully done. This is fantastic. My first bite ever. Wow, delicious, fantastic. I'll take this roasted garlic out of this. Oh wow, it adds the perfect kick. Remember our chili sauce, vinegar, salt, and crushed red chilies? Here it is. Meat with the bone in is always best. Thank you so much for watching. Do try this easy, simple recipe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care of yourself. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.